Hi guys, so I'm going to try and build a walker, and it's all in one, and the gentleman wrote that it took many tries before he got it right. I don't know if this will work, we'll see. So here we go guys. It will start with the head down. It's all in one, it's just one piece, and you have to cut off certain things to make the legs move and stuff like that. I'm really hoping this works. 14% done guys. It's supposed to take 3 hours and something minutes. Looking good though. Well, it's 30% done, but I can see a piece falling off, so I'm not sure if this is going to actually work. Some pieces just falling off. Coming up to 50% of print now. Nothing else has dropped off. I hope I can do something with that piece wherever it goes. That's 70%. I'm assuming the legs are going to be put on now, because the head's at the bottom in theory. I think it's an amazing design, all in one. 70% done. It's coming up to about 92%, and as you can see the feet are being printed. Well, it's nearly finished now. Hi everyone. I always wanted to build a ramp walker, and I did try in the past with the wood and I didn't really succeed, so there was no YouTube video for that one. So anyway, with the 3D printer which I've got now, I had a go at this one. This is a really nice ramp walker, but I've just got it printed and you have to cut bits off here, very very small things. So as you can see, I've cut this one to make it loose, although it's a bit tightish there. And I'm going to sort this one out here, and some things inside the legs so the legs can move, and that's where I am at the moment. Be honest with you, it's a bit fiddly cutting these pieces up, but there's just slightly bit there cut off. And I must say the design is so, I think it's so great to have made a ramp walker with just one whole piece made up like this. I think it's amazing. I have seen the YouTube video of the gentleman, but I'm not sure if mine will work. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do this off camera. I think there's this one going. So I just want to say something really here. I like the way they've designed it so it kind of moves. I mean, I have no idea how that looks, but there you go. It's fantastic, I think so anyway. So clean up a little bit more there, and get these legs moving as well. It's a robot ramp walker. Here we go again guys. just put a ruler underneath instead. Let's see how it goes now. Well, that is a success. So thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love this toy.